Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create data flow diagram in Lucidchart. So the first thing you need to do is log in into your account. When you are done with that, go right here on the left side and click New and click on blank document like so. It will take a moment. Now, also as you can see, we have a bunch of templates, which is pretty cool and pretty fast way to do. But today I will show you everything from the start. So now you will see here shapes. This is your toolbar here. Select the shapes. And what we're gonna do is we need to find. Okay, so now we just need to decide how this diagram will look like. So let's go and try something like that. So I will put the circle in the middle like so. And then what we can do, I will draw a rectangle like so. I will put them more rectangles, something like that, and so on. Okay, let's put one here also. One will be here. Okay, now I put all the shapes which I want here in my diagram. I will just connect them now. So with these arrows, we just need to connect them. So now what we can do is just connect our rectangles with our circle, which is the main thing, like so. Then also rename these rectangles however you want. This circle is for me the center of it, so connect everything how you want it. So these lines, these arrows represent data movement. So yeah, you can really play here what you want. So then here you have this top toolbar where you can play with colors, customize every text, sizes, and so on. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can create yourself from the beginning the diagram. But you can also uh, use templates if you want. Uh, so yeah, I hope this video helped you out uh, really quickly how you can create diagram. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next